What's going on, guys? It's me, Lindsay, with LindsayMoore.com. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 passive income ideas that'll help you to have success in 2019. Now, before we get into the content, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so that we can get more updates when I do videos like this on YouTube. Now, with these 3 passive income ideas that I'm going to be sharing with you, there are 3 things that I actively do inside of my business. And then also, if you're looking to find a way online to make an extra $100 per day or maybe even more over time, then you definitely want to consider the ways that I'm going to be sharing with you all inside of this video. So the first thing is affiliate marketing. So with affiliate marketing is basically where you're going to promote someone else's products or services, physical products, digital products, anything like that, and you want to sell for, you'll actually be selling it and earn a commission, right? In most cases, like with digital, like internet marketing products, they're usually about like a 50% commission. And if you go to sites like Amazon, it's a little bit less than that. I can't remember how much it is with Amazon. If you do like Target, Walmart, all of them have free affiliate programs, okay? So you'll just go to walmart.com, you can go to target.com and scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, and you're always going to see a link for affiliates. So you can just easily click on those links, sign up for their free affiliate program, and you can start promoting or sharing, like, different products that you like to buy onto your social media, and include a link directly to the affiliate link that Walmart, Target, or whoever Amazon provides for you to that product. You can earn a commission when somebody buys. Now, what I want to share with you all is how people are actually doing this onto YouTube, right? So like you guys, like I just mentioned to you guys, that I'm actually doing this on YouTube as well. So like this is my main channel, the one that you're watching this video on. This is my main channel. Throughout some of my videos, I have promoted various affiliate programs. Like ClickFunnels is my #1 affiliate program that I do promote. And then also this is the second channel that I had created, and it's called Linsay Moore Reviews. Now, if you also have been following this channel, I've been talk about how you can create $100 per day with affiliate marketing doing launch jacking. So that's kind of what the content is over here right now. Is me doing reviews of various affiliate products in the internet marketing niche, and I'm doing a full review. I'm showing a tour of the back office, letting people know what they can expect, and then underneath each video I have a link to the actual product that I'm talking about. So simply with that, if somebody watches my video, they like the bonuses that I'm offering, and they want access, they'll just have to click on that link, and once they buy, I earn commissions. Okay. This is how I got started online, pretty much, right? When I started in 2013 trying to build a business online, I started trying to build like a network marketing company, which was kind of okay. But when I started to see like the biggest profits I had ever made was through doing launch jacking. I had earned my first $1,500 a month simply by doing this exact model. Nothing new, nothing brand new. This exact model, pretty much, right? So that's how you do that. Now, just to show you guys in another niche how you can do this, if you come over here to YouTube and you click on like Fashion Nova, right? So with Fashion Nova is a popular clothing website that you see, like I know a lot of millennials. No, I don't want to say millennials because I think they said I'm one. I don't know. Wikipedia said I'm one. I don't know. I have no idea. But anyways, so with here, it's just a really popular clothing site for women, okay? A lot of Instagram influencers use, wear Fashion Nova. I think Cardi B, who is a female rapper, she wears Fashion Nova, and so on and so forth, right? So what these girls are doing over here, they are doing what they call fashion hauls. So like you see here, like she spent $250 buying a bunch of stuff from fashionnova.com. This young lady spent over $300 at fashionnova.com. And what they are doing is they're actually just giving a review of the clothes that they have purchased from Fashion Nova, right? So let's see if we can go ahead and pull that up. Okay, so right now she's showing like the different clothes that she's buying from there, or whatever in her haul. But if you scroll down underneath the video, look what she has here. She has links to every product that she has bought from Fashion Nova. And if you go over to fashionnova.com, you can sign up for their affiliate program. So what you do is you scroll down to the bottom, just like how I mentioned with Amazon, Target, and Walmart. If you come over here, you can scroll down to the bottom, And what they have here is want to collab. If you click on that, that's essentially like their affiliate program, but I think you have to be approved for it. But this is how you go about that route. This is how you can get start promoting Fashion Nova and actually earn commissions. Okay, and this is how girls are actually making this. So now they're doing something that they love, which is they love to shop for new and cute clothes, and they can show off those new clothes and earn a commission while doing so. Right? So it's not just with the internet marketing niche. It can be with any niche. It can be with health and fitness. It can be with with the relationship niche. Maybe you are wanting to promote how people can fix their marriage, how they can save their life after divorce. Maybe even how to get your ex-boyfriend back, your ex-girlfriend back, anything like that. You can there are actually products out there. If you go, especially go to clickmate.com, there are actually products out there, info products out there that you can provide to people and earn a commission from. Yes, they have full programs on how you can get your ex back and all type of stuff like that. So anyways, that's one way that you can do it with affiliate marketing. Now the second way is through YouTube. Basically what I'm doing right now, right? So when you are making content like this and you're providing value and you're providing solutions to people's problems, as far as when people come over here to YouTube and they want to learn how to maybe how to change the oil in their car, how to fix a flat tire, how to make money with affiliate marketing, how to make money online. When you are making videos where you're solving problems, pretty much giving people a solution to their problems, you're going to start to get a lot of views onto your content. And in your videos and in the description below, you can put a link to your company, maybe any type of affiliate program that you are a part of or anything like that. So that's the one part of it. But then also, once you have hit a certain point with your content on YouTube, you can start to monetize your videos and get paid by YouTube through AdSense, okay? So in order for that to happen, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers on your channel and also 4,000 watch hours, okay? So once you have met that threshold, you'll have to apply to be monetized, a YouTube partner, I'm sorry. And once they approve that, you can start putting ads before, during, and after your videos. And again, you're going to start to earn an additional income by doing that, right? So that's a definite pair that I have already been doing with affiliate marketing and also with my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is monetized. And then the second channel that I showed you guys, my review channel, once it has crossed that threshold, I will eventually monetize that channel as well. So that just be an additional income stream that I will be receiving. But that's how that works and how you can have success with YouTube and actually earn $100 per day. And how this works, I've seen like a variety of things where people say make at least one video per day, make 2 videos per day. Just from my personal experience and how it's been working for me, when I first got started, I cranked out a video every single day. And that's how I was able to build up my authority on YouTube and then also within my niche as well to actually just put out content every single day. Now, if you're brand new to this, then I will definitely recommend that you do at least 1 to 2 videos per day so you can just get through the process and then slowly increase that over time, right? That's something that you can definitely do, but also do your research. Go back over to YouTube and you can go ahead and search the different the different things even like the beauty niche and things like that or whatever else, whatever you're interested in. Maybe you're like skateboarding or anything like that. See what other big YouTubers are doing inside of that niche, and you kind of want to mimic what they are doing to get started, okay? Now also, if you are in the fashion and the beauty niche or whatever else, and that's something that you want to pursue, I'm going to put a link to this blog post that I have found. And over here, she provides the 100 best affiliate programs for fashion and beauty bloggers. Okay, so I'll put that link below this video, so that way you can just easily click on this link, sign up for the affiliate program, and you can start creating content for it or whatever else. And it's a very good blog post that she has did and provided a lot of value. Okay, now the last thing is with blogging. Okay, so with blogging, that's definitely another way that you can create $100 per day, right? So when you are blogging, you create a blog around a specific niche, right? So that, again, it can be beauty, it can be fashion, it can be affiliate marketing, internet marketing. It can be any of those things, but now you're just putting it into a WordPress site or whatever, right? Now, when you are creating your content or whatever else, you want to, again, provide solutions to problems, find things that people are already searching for, create pieces of content around it, and also include links throughout your blog post. And that's how you're going to be able to monetize your blog. Now, when we had first started this video, this is my blog, and I'll be honest, guys, I have not been that consistent with it, but that is one of my goals this year, is to be more consistent with it so I can increase the profits that I'm churning out from my blog. But I want to show you guys an example of a blog that is doing it, right? Way more than $100 per day. And this is the smartpassiveincome.com. And this is the website for Pat Flynn, and he does a lot of affiliate marketing or whatever else. Now, on his site, he provides a lot of information, how you can have success in trying to make money online. And then also he has his own products that he, like if you come over here to the courses tab, he has created his own digital products that he's selling on here for $249, $799, $699, right? And that it seems like he has more courses, right? So he has one course that's $399, one course that's about $1,000, right? So he is generating income, so like, not solely, but creating his own courses and promoting them on his blog. Also, when he is creating content, like an actual blog post, he is putting affiliate links inside of his blog post, so that way he's able to earn income. And let me show you guys how profitable this is. And like I said, this is like one of the people who's actually doing it right, but he's also been doing this for quite some time. So if we were to come over here back to the main website, hold on a second, guys. Now, he used to do this quite often, but he doesn't do it that much anymore. But he used to show his income reports. So let me show you guys what they used to look like. I think he suspended showing his monthly income reports like a few months ago, or maybe earlier last year. So let's click on this right here. Now look at some of the results that he was receiving. So in December 2007, he had earned over in 1 month $167,000 from his blog. Now you see, guys, why I created my little blog over here. That's the reason why I created it, because this is amazing, right? So then for November, he did over $232,000. October, $145,000. And September, $220,000. And let's just scroll down, and you can see he makes 6 figures per month with blogging. Do y'all see where I'm getting at? And that's why this was created. Guys, right? So it is a lot of money in each of these different strategies that I'm sharing with you all, okay? So that's with affiliate marketing, YouTube, and blogging, okay? So those are going to be the top 3 ways that you can start to earn income in 2019. They'll earn passive income that's going to earn you at least $100 per day. So what I highly recommend is that if you're brand new to this, go ahead and choose one of those options and start to learn more about that, and go ahead and start implementing that. And then once you kind of get the hang of it and you're starting to generate results, then you want to add on another strategy that I shared with you on this video. Don't try to tackle everything at once. Again, if you're new to this and you try to do everything at once, it's going to be overwhelming. So just start with one thing first and then add something on, because all 3 of these can work together. All 3 of these can work together, and they can all earn you income, right? So you can have your YouTube channel, you can send people to your blog to learn more about you, learn more about the programs that you promote. And then once they're on your blog, they can click on your affiliate links, and now you're earning income that way. It's so many ways that you can do it. And like I said, all 3 of those are symbiotic of each other, and that's how you can start making money online, guys, okay? So hopefully you found this video helpful, guys. If you have any questions or any comments, make sure you leave them below. Also hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell, so that way you get more updates when I do videos like this on the YouTube. And then also, I forgot, underneath this video, if you want access to a free a 4-part video training series that I have created, sharing with you all how you can create $100 to $300 online with affiliate marketing, I'm going to put that information below. Go ahead and click on that link, and make sure you submit your best email address, because once you do that, I'm also sending you a free course that's worth $97. It's one of my courses, and it's going to go straight to your inbox. So if you don't put your best email address in there, you will not get that $97 course, okay? So you don't want to miss out on that. So underneath this video, go ahead and click on that link. Get access to your free 4-part video series on affiliate marketing and how you can have success in earning $100 to $300 per day. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.